we're making lovey-dovey love muffins.
Love. We are dubbing February the month of love. And why is that?
Because it's close to Valentine's Day.
It's close to Valentine's Day, and we are just thrilled because my heart is just overflowing with love for a very special little girl. You want to take our bakers off the list of ingredients we have here?
Yes, we have flour, butter, 2 eggies, cinnamon, pinch of salt, and baking powder, milk, and sour cream, and mini chocolate chips, and brown sugar, and white sugar.
And?
Vanilla extract.
Yep. So this is gonna come together super quickly, guys. Your mornings or nights, whichever, will never be without some Love Muffins. So first things first, we're actually gonna take a little bit of our flour and we're gonna mix it with our chocolate chips. And this is to ensure, oh my gosh, Valentina, do you see that?
Hey, they look like heart arrows!
Oh my gosh! Duck! Dip! Dodge! Cupid is throwing love arrows at us! Run away! Alright, where were we before the love arrows started striking the air? We are going to
Chocolate on our heads.
chocolate on our hands and chocolate in the sky.
Chocolate in the sky. Chocolate plant. Chocolate sky. Chocolate grass. Chocolate playground.
Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm taking a little bit of our flour
We have flour.
and we're gonna mix it with our chocolate chips. This is to ensure that the chocolate chips don't sink to the bottom of our muffin batter. We want them to be well incorporated throughout. So what we're gonna do, you wanna fluff this a little bit so that it incorporates with the chocolate chips? Perfect. So as you can see, our flour has now coated our chocolate chips.
Hey, Thea.
Yeah, baby.
Doesn't it look like snow?
A little bit. So we have our bowl. What we're gonna do now is blend our,
Sugar.
basically all of our ingredients that aren't our dry ingredients, meaning our flour, our baking powder, pinch of cinnamon, and pinch of salt. So sugar's gonna go into the bowl.
Sugar.
I knew you were gonna say that. Next, we're gonna do our butter. Everything's better with butter.
Everybody, get your egg eyes. Everybody, go to the doctor and get some egg eyes. Then we'll crack it open and put it in your eyes. Then you got egg eyes. Egg on the bowl, egg in the eye.
Perfect. Okay, you can pop that in here. And we pop our egg in there.
Go with your friend.
There's a napkin here for you. Forks! We're not looking for any type of fluffiness or anything. We're just wanting the eggs and the sugar to be fully incorporated here. And last is gonna be our milk sour cream mixture.
Looks like maple syrup.
It does a little bit. We're gonna add this, Mama.
Don't want to get touched.
Be careful. Perfect.
The maple syrup is gonna turn into milk.
We have a combination of milk and sour cream here, and this is gonna make our muffins nice and moist. How does that look?
Good.
Good? All right, so now we're going to fold in. We're gonna add this together, this into here. Just kind of stir that together a little bit.
Stir.
Perfect. We want to incorporate all of those dry ingredients. We're gonna add the flour to our dry mixture.
Flour skin is going into the dirt.
Perfect. You want to be very gentle with this.
Looks like cake again.
Yep, it will start coming together. All right, so once we're at this stage, we want to add our chocolate chip flour mixture.
Chocolate chips.
So that's gonna go in. Perfect.
Don't miss a spot.
We don't want to miss any chips.
So there.
Perfect. So now again, we're going to continue to fold this in.
Bye-bye.
And you'll start to see the batter will come together in no time. Remember, you do not want to overmix at this stage. You just want to mix until you don't see any flour that wasn't incorporated. These are going to be some mega chocolatey Love Muffins. Do you see how much chocolate chips are in here?
Yeah, there's so many.
Let's add a little bit.
There it is.
Whoops, there it is.
Whoops, there it is.
We are gonna clear the decks and bring out our muffin tin to fill it up. All right, so we have here a muffin tin that we generously sprayed with some butter spray. Just a baker's note, guys. You want to make sure you spray the top of the pan because remember we're making muffins, which will most likely overflow, unlike cupcakes that don't. So you want to make sure that nothing sticks because we don't want to lose a single
chocolate chip or little crumb.
So we're gonna scoop them about 2/3 of the way full. There we go.
Yes.
Beautiful. Okay, all of our batter is done. We didn't miss a single drop. This is going into a preheated oven that's been set to 400 degrees. Sorry, I forgot to mention that earlier. And all of the ingredients will be linked in the description box below. And these are gonna go in for around, I would say 16 to 18 minutes. You wanna check on them at 16. Oh, they're almost done, they're almost done. And oh God, these look so beautiful. Wow. Oh, chocolate.
Chocolate!
Chocolate! Chocolate!
While we are anxiously waiting for our Love Muffins to finish baking, oh, timer off. So we made little love hearts to go stick into our Love Muffins.
I love you, everyone.
Oh.
And there's also free hugs.
I always want free hugs.
I am glad you're my tia.
Oh, baby. I'm super glad I'm your Thea too. Well, we put XOXO. The X's are the kisses. Mwah! And the O's are big hugs.
Hugs. Hugs.
We put Love Muffins because that's what we're making. This was my secret message to you. It says, you made me a Thea and it fills my heart with joy. You did. You know that? You are my very first niece. I will never forget the day you were born. I was sitting in the waiting room just thinking, oh my God, I'm so grateful. When is she coming? Mommy went through like a crazy pregnancy. We were so worried, but then you came out into the world. You were this beautiful, bald little pink, beautiful baby ball of love. And my heart instantly was in love. A love like I've never known ever in my whole life when I took one look at you. We have free kisses. Mwah! And we have in love. And last but not least,
please subscribe and like.
Oh yeah. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us out so much. And we are actually going to be starting a new segment. More adventure is coming soon. Am I right?
Yeah, an adventure.
You guys are gonna be thrilled. So make sure you stay tuned.
And subscribe.
All right, we're gonna go play while we wait for our Love Muffins to finish cooling down.
Bye. Look at how they turned out. They look so delicious.
They came out so wonderfully. They popped right out of the tin because we generously butter sprayed them. It smells so heavenly in here. I cannot wait any longer. What do you say we try one out? Yes? I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Cheers! Look at how moist and chocolatey and beautiful that is.
Wow.
Isn't that pretty? We did not skimp, you guys, on these chocolate chips.
It's so good.
We can definitely qualify this as breakfast, right?
Breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Breakfast?
With all this
Dinner.
with all this chocolate, definitely qualifies as breakfast. Bakers, I'm telling you, go and make this. It is surprisingly, it's not overly sweet. Like the sweetness is coming from the chocolate, but the muffin itself is very lightly balanced. It's so moist. It's not dense or heavy. It's very light and airy, right? Oh my gosh, so good. Please go make these. Again, all the ingredients will be linked in the description box below. All right, Valentina, what do we say to our bakers?
Wait, yeah.
Oh, yay!
I still have a gift for you.
A gift for me?
It's under here.
Ooh.
Ready?
Okay.
Close your eyes. Open your hands.
Aww. Is that a little heart?
Yeah, 2 hearts.
2 hearts. Oh, I see a pink and a red one. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look, guys, little hearts. Are you the pink and I'm the red? And together, we make love bugs. Mwah. I am gonna devour this as soon as this camera's off. So, what do we say to our bakers?
Well, bakers, make sure to give us a yummy thumbs up and click the subscribe and turn on the notification. And don't forget to check out our Instagram, Yummy Thumbs Up.
Also, our TikTok, also at Yummy Thumbs Up.
So next time, bakers.
Ciao for now.